not only was I working on cars during the week, but I'd have friends coming round at weekends. Ron, can you fix this? Can you? I think the head gasket is gone. Can you
Yes.
have a, this sort of stuff. And for years and years of married life, she had a garden or drive. We're fortunate that we had lots of space. A drive full of cars in various states of disrepair. During this time, I was also building up a small car collection. So not only friends' cars, but my own cars. And I had some very exotic machinery, but back in the 60s and early 70s, stuff that's expensive and exotic now, you could buy in scrapyards. I had a couple of E-type Jaguars, not at the same time.
Really?
And I got those. And if I say restore them, that wasn't the case, but made them roadworthy.
Yes, I understand.
Yeah. It wasn't all spit and polish like Concours cars are nowadays. If you could get it through the then MOT, you drove it, you weren't worried about the odd patch of flaking paint or torn leather seats. If it went, you drove it. So, a couple of E-types, a Gilburn. I think I owned all the MGs. I had an MGTC, then I went to an MGA, then an MGB, then an MGC, which was a wonderful car. By this time, my daughter was born. Although I convinced my wife that the MGC GT was big enough for a carry cot on the back seat, she thought otherwise. So the next car was an Alfa Romeo 2-litre GTV, the early model. It's a nice rounded shaped one, which did have plenty of room. People recently have asked me what was the best car, my favourite car that I've ever owned, and it was that Alfa. When I bought it, it was little more than beer money, a weekend's beer money. It had run into the back of something. It was still drivable, but the radiator was leaking because of the accident. The headlights were bust, the bonnet had a crease in it, the front grille and bumper was dented beyond repair. But I got it home, straightened it all out, put a new radiator in, and wasn't too fussed about the paint. It was several different colours, but drove that for a couple of years until unfortunately a drunk driver, and it wasn't me, the drunk driver, drunk driver pulled out of a forecourt in the middle of the night without any lights on, and I T-boned him.